Nā wai te tōtara wāhi ruatanga o te rōpū wāhine Māori toko i te ora ka kino, kātahi ka kino ke atu, whai muri hoi tā rātou hui ātau i tū ki tūranga i te wiki nei. Kua tautoko hia te mōtini kia whakatārewa hia, te tokowhitu o ngā mema o te rōpū, mo te takahi i te mana o te rōpū. Kei a te rina kōwhai ngā whakamahukitanga.
Kua mana te whakatau a ngā mema o te rōpū wāhine toko i te ora.
Decision's been made about the dismissal. The issue will be how that will look for each of the people who gave evidence and for Pauline Rewati who laid the claim in the first place.
Heoi, hei tā te wahine ke te mura o te ahi, kaore ia i te whakapono e whai mana ana te whakataunga.
I haven't brought the league into disrepute. It's pro kapua. She basically knows everything that she's been doing, and it's her, it's not the league. I'd never challenge the league or take them to court for the reason being is we're pohara.
Any members who brought the league into disrepute, which was defined as bringing proceedings against the league, should be dismissed. And so the direction was that the National Executive should dismiss them under the provisions of our Constitution.
I te era wiki i te hui a motu i whakawhāriki hia te tū tohutanga ki mua i te aro o ngā mema he whakautu, heoi e tau kume ana te noho a ngā tokorua nei.
When it came to the voting of that sheet, they wouldn't let me speak. I tried to raise my hand to let them know that it was unlawful.
I have to say I didn't see Pauline put her hand up. There were two branches that put their hand up that I saw, whether Pauline Rewati put her hand up for Te Rongopai or not, I can't say. I certainly didn't see it. But you know, it's 2 for, 2 against, and they get to speak to it.
I haere a Pauline Rewati ki te kōti teitei i te marama o Hōngoingoi, kia whai māramatanga nā te aha i tango ai rātou te ture whaiti e pāna ki ngā tukanga pōti i te prehitini.
My mum, Tuhi Mare Kuro, she basically did the clause with Anne Delamere in the 1st of December 1978 that it was a 3-year term, only the 3-year term. So that's the reason, that clause, I want that clause back, because that's like a disrespect to the nennies, and I want her to step down.
It doesn't really matter about me. What they're attacking are the league's processes, the voice of our women through the National Council, and they've decided to try to put it on a personal level, despite what the majority of the members have said. So, yeah, it's been personal.
Hei ngā wiki e ono, ka mōhio ai mena ka whakatārewa hia, ka panaia rānei, ngā mema toko whitu nei. Te rina kōwhai, te karere.